Hello, AP Language and Composition. Today we are going to focus on our works cited page for our synthesis essay. So there are just a few things that I need to go over. The first thing is that we always follow MLA format. Okay, it's the Modern Language Association format. It's used in every high school. When you get into college, it'll become a little bit different. Here on the Purdue OWL reference website, you can see there's MLA guide here, AP, and so forth. So in each of the AP Language and Composition Google Classroom tab, you can find this website, and you can always go to it to help you figure out how to reference whatever it is that you need. So the first thing is the heading for MLA format needs to be on the left-hand side of your paper. I know the majority of us have it on the right, but if we're following MLA format, we want to make sure we do it correctly. So when you start revising your paper, take your heading and move it over to the left-hand side of your paper. In addition, all of your title for your synthesis essay needs to be capitalized. There's only three things that should not be capitalized, and that's an article. Examples are a and the. Another examples are coordinated conjunctions. That's for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And also prepositions should not be capitalized when you have it in a title. Examples of prepositions are on, at, and from. So as you can see here, the is an article. It is not capitalized right here in my title. But if it was the beginning of the title, it should be capitalized. So again, take your heading, move it to the left-hand side, and capitalize your heading. Now, there's two citations that we are going to focus on today. The first one is the in-text citation, and the second one is your works cited page. In MLA format, when you are citing a quote or a paraphrase or something that you've borrowed from another author, what you want to do, and here's my example sentence right here, is after you have completed the quote, you want to put the page number that you have found the information from. Now, I mentioned the author's name here. Koki Mori said it is best in her article, comma, school, comma, when she stated that, and so forth. So I've already given credit to the author by saying what she said in her article. So the only thing I need to do is put the page number here, because I know someone reading my text can go to the very last page in my synthesis essay, which is my works cited page, and find the article and the information in it. Now, if I didn't mention Koki Mori's name in it, then how I include my in-text reference is I would put her last name, comma, and then the page number. So if you're looking over at the Purdue Calumet for more specific information, here it is, in-text citation, author page style. So you can see here's the quote. The author is Wordsworth, stated that the Romantic poetry, and so forth. And then you can see the page number in parentheses afterwards. Here's a second example. The writer did not include the author's name, so then at the end of the quotations, you're going to put the author's last name and then the page number. Okay? And then here's another example for you. So that is how you cite a text in the inside of your synthesis essay. Up next is going to be your works cited page. Stay tuned.